Magandang araw sa inyo mga kaibigan. Itong ating almusalita sa araw na ito, December 15, ikatlong linggo ng Adviento, kaya huwag makalimutan magsimba ngayon. Ang ebanghelyo natin is Luke 3:10 to 18. The people asked him, "What are we to do?" And John answered, "If you have 2 coats, give one to the person who has none. And if you have food, do the same." Very simple. Gusto mo maging handa sa pagdating ng Panginoon, share what you have. Gusto mo rin maging mapayapa ang iyong Pasko. Gusto mo maging masaya ngayong Pasko. Makaroon ng malalim na kagalakan ngayong Pasko. Gusto mong maging spiritually fulfilled ngayong Pasko. Start with a very little simple thing. Mayroon kang extra na damit, share mo naman yan. I-share mo naman yun sa'yo. Hindi yung hindi mo ginagamit o yung walang silbi sa'yo o yung no. But yung sa'yo pero na pwede mong ibigay. That sense of giving away something na mahalaga sa'yo pero alam mo mas mahalaga sa tao walang-wala. Yung attitude na yan can give you a Merry Christmas, a happy life, a peaceful, can give you the sense of fulfillment, can give you also the sense of may magagawa ka from someone real. You can feel blessed because you became a blessing to someone concrete in your life. Subukan mo ngayong Pasko. Check mo, how many t-shirts do I have? Can I get 3 or 4 and give them away? The good ones. The ones that I like. Can I make a grocery para sa Noche Buena at isasama ko yung pamilya na alam ko na hirap, medyo walang-wala sa buhay. I will just buy groceries for them as I buy for my family. Yung mga ganon. Come out of your own world and shell ngayong Pasko at ibahagi ang mayroon sa iyo, and you will see that's the simplest but also most effective way para maging handa sa pagdating ni Jesus. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video ito, pakiusap, pass it on. Punuin natin ng good news ang social media. Gawin natin viral araw-araw ang salita ng Diyos. And God bless.